Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Sunday, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano again. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts on where we currently are in the market, as well as where we might be heading in the near future. Just for reference, though, I want you guys to know that I do use Market Cipher as my primary oscillator indicator tool. I love using Market Cipher. It's one of the best tools out there. If you would like to use Market Cipher yourself, please consider checking out Market Cipher using that referral link below. With that being said, guys, like we always start off, we're going to start off on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we are in a small rally trading just above $33,000 from yesterday's low, which is about 9.5% to the upside from yesterday's low. I think yesterday's low was just at $30,200, give or take. So like I said, just shy of a 9.5% rally. Actually, let me check that out. Let me be certain of that. Let me be absolutely certain. Currently trade, yeah, actually it's about almost 10%. So better. Let's jump into the Fibonacci retracement tool that we've been using, guys. Like I said yesterday, I thought that we would find support in the middle of this channel. Fortunately, we did. I'm not one of those channels that's like, I told you so, but we did fortunately see support come in and come back up to where we are now. We are trading currently in the next channel, right in the middle of it, that 0.382, 0.236 Fibonacci channels. That's a really good bullish sign for what we had to deal with. With everything being considered, we had the biggest options expire for ETH of all time. So, you know, with that being considered and everything else, guys, I think it's a fairly bullish move, guys, to be honest with you. That's pretty strong. It is what it is, though. We can only speculate, right, of where we think it's going to go. And with that being said, I do think that what will happen for the short term for Bitcoin is we kind of go sideways within this channel before making a leg up, testing this Fibonacci line as resistance, coming back down because we're going to get rejected off it like we always do. These lines hold up every single time, guys. But eventually, I think we'll find some more support come in, break that Fibonacci line, and start threading it to the upside slowly as things play out going into July. Like I said in my past videos, I think July is going to be a really bullish month for the crypto space. So that's what I see happening, guys. Moving on to Ethereum, guys. Ethereum did get hit harder. Like I said, we had the biggest options expire for ETH ever on Friday. So it was a pretty nerve-wracking day, to be honest. I think a lot of people were expecting a lot bigger movement than what actually happened. But it is still the weekend. Things could still play out. You know, it is what it is. But to be honest with you, with everything that I just said, with the options and the sentiment and all that stuff, with the crypto space being so bearish already, I thought we held up quite well, to be honest with you. So there's that opinion. Right now, we are finding ourselves right in the middle of this last Fibonacci channel, that 0.236 and the zero line. What I see happening for Ethereum is same thing kind of with Bitcoin, is we'll see a little bit of a rally, kind of go sideways before testing this as resistance, coming back down because we will get smacked down from that Fibonacci line. Guys, if you guys learn anything first, learn your Fibonacci retracement and extensions. Those things will save your butt. They hold up. They've been time tested over and over and over again. Guys, there's bots that trade off of them. Learn the Fibonacci tools. They're great. Anyway, with that dump or push down from that Fibonacci line, we will rally back up, hopefully breaking it. And like I said, just kind of either if we don't make a leg up into this channel, we'll just thread it, like I said. Same thing for Bitcoin. Moving on to ADA. ADA, guys, ADA is a hoss, as they say here in the South. ADA has been holding up beautifully with everything considered, guys. ADA trading at $1.26. I can see us rallying back up in the short term. I'm talking about like mid next week, up into the 130 ranges. That was a little high, but you know, somewhere here before making another leg up into that 140 range. That's what I see going on with ADA, guys. There's so much technical and fundamental things going on for ADA and Ethereum, to be honest with you, that it's hard for me to believe that this is going to be held down for much longer. Next month, July, we will see a pretty good rally for the crypto space. That's just my opinion. Could be dead wrong. Who knows, right? But I see a lot of things happening, guys. Let's jump over real quick and let me show you guys the burn. This is called Watch the Burn. You can literally see ETH being burned with a new update using this web page, guys. Again, it's just watchtheburn.com. Right now, 88,571 ETH has been burned. When you turn that over to dollars, that's an amazing amount, guys. And we're just getting started. We're just getting started. So please remember, with scarcity comes value. Please know that there's bigger plans and bigger things at play right now. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. Anyway, I just want to show you guys that. I thought that was insanely cool to watch. I keep it up all the time just because I like watching it burn. I like watching things burn. If we're moving over to crypto news, guys, I just want to refresh this real quick and kind of go over the top 3 things that you'll pop up if you type in Google crypto news. First thing that pops up, crypto analyst warns of weekend tumble as Bitcoin bulls points to daisy chains of borrow. Guys, again, this kind of this is a day old, so it was more significant like yesterday. But that came from Market Watch, obviously with options expiring. I kind of expected to play out. It doesn't just play out on Friday when it expires. There's still like, a tumbling effect or kind of like a snowball effect going into the weekends. There always is going into the weekends. So kind of irrelevant, to be honest with you. We already knew that. Crypto exchange Binance banned from doing business in the UK. Significant because Binance in, I think it was Ontario, was just banned as well. They shut down their operations there and put out a tweet saying everybody in Ontario, I think it's Ontario, don't quote me, I think it's that province in Canada, was also, they're also being shut down there. Not overall too concerned about that, guys. This kind of stuff happens on and off all the time. So this is basically the same story. So that's the top 3 things you'll see with Googling crypto news. So moving on to Blockfi and the news there, guys. Blockfi just changed their interest rates for the interest program. You can see it here, guys. It's a pretty big change. Their Bitcoin tier changed all the way down to 0.25 for 4%. Before it was 0.5, and you got 5% there. So kind of big deal, guys. Overall, when you're comparing this into a savings account or something like that, you're still winning in a big way in comparison. But it's kind of a big change. I'm not mad at them. I get it. When the sentiment's down, when the market's down, of course they're gonna have to change it to reflect those changes. So be aware that when it pumps back up, when we do find a big rally again, these will probably change once again. For the better. But this was the bigger one, guys. Before, they used to let you own up to 50, or they would hold up to 15 ETH and give you 4.5% interest on your holdings with them. But they've now reduced that to only 5 and giving you 4%. That was kind of a big deal. I was working up to that, guys. I finally got right up to that 15 line. And just when I got there, they changed it. Overall, I get it. Like, it's whatever. I'm now in that next class at tier 2. Which gets me 1.5, still better than savings account. Guys, the annual savings account nationwide is about 0.04%, so like it far blows that out, right? So there's that. Then you can see some of their other assets and how that changed. Litecoin looking like pretty much the way to go, to be honest with you. Stable coins still relatively strong, though. It went from 8.6% to 7.5%. So there's that. I mean, like I said, it is what it is. They have to make changes when the market changes as well. So I get it. Just want to kind of share that with you guys. With everything being said, though, and everything I showed you guys, we're holding up pretty well in the market for the current moment. Things can change. We can only see what happens, guys. Please be careful out there. Don't over leverage trade. Don't overextend. Practice proper risk management, guys, and be safe. God bless. Peace.